Here the topic of discussion is acoustic levitation. You might have heard the term magnetic levitation, which is used in case of magnet trains. Magnetic levitation, that is known to you. Meissner effect, magnetic levitation, etc. I think that thing is known to you. And here I am going to talk about acoustic levitation. Means levitation. Levitation means, you know the meaning of levitation? Something which can float in the air is called levitating that object. Okay? If it floats in the air, then the term levitation is used. Okay? So in case of magnetic levitation, electromagnets are used for the purpose of levitation. And for acoustic levitation, ultrasonic waves, you know that ultrasonic waves means when the frequency of the waves is hundreds of kilohertz or thousands of kilohertz, in that range, means high range. When frequency is in a very high range, in that case that is called ultrasonic waves. Okay, and it is beyond the audible range. 20 kilohertz, that is the audible range, that is the maximum limit, and beyond that the waves cannot be heard by using our ears. So that is known to you. So anyway, in case of acoustic levitation, here also there will be floating of object in the air by using ultrasonic waves. Transducers are used to produce ultrasonic waves. And when ultrasonic waves are produced, there is a distribution of various points. Somewhere the pressure is high, somewhere the pressure is low. So there is a difference between pressures at different points. So using that difference, an object can be used to levitate. And when the object is levitating, what are the forces which are acting on that object? You know, there will be buoyant force. Since it is in air, there will be buoyant force due to the presence of air, which is equal to the volume of the object. Weight of the air displaced by the volume of the object. That will be acting in the upward direction. Weight of the object will be acting in the downward direction. Particularly downward direction, weight of the object, and the levitating force exerted by the transducer, that is exerted by the ultrasonic waves. So main concept of acoustic levitation is that by using ultrasonic waves, zones of high pressure and zones of low pressures are created, and using the difference in pressures, and same thing, same concept is used for the aeroplanes also, means aircrafts. Okay, they are also below the wing and above the wing pressures are different. Below the wing pressure is more and above the wing pressure is less. So there is a difference in pressure in case of wings of the airplanes. So same concept is here also used, but in case of aeroplanes, the zones of high pressure and zones of low pressures are created in a different way, using different technology. Okay, but in case of acoustic levitation, these zones of high pressures and zones of low pressures are created by using ultrasonic waves. So this was all about acoustic levitation. Okay. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.